Hi, I'm Rue with Ninja Green, and I'm going to show you how to repair or replace a broken sprinkler head. Here we have a sprinkler head that is no longer working. When the sprinklers came on, blue water everywhere, leaking out the top, and you can try to repair it. Sometimes you can unscrew the top. You can take it apart very easily and clean it out, put it back together. But sprinkler heads are not very expensive, and sometimes it's a lot easier to just take it out and put a new one in. One thing you want to keep in mind is make sure you dig around and dig down to the point where it connects into the ground. That way when you take it out, you don't have dirt falling into the open pipe. If that does happen, it's not a big deal. All you have to do is turn on the sprinkler, it'll blow all the dirt out, and wait a few minutes for the water to settle back down and start again. So I've picked up a new sprinkler head. One thing to keep in mind when you're selecting a sprinkler head is on the top of most of these sprinklers you have little dotted lines that show you the direction that the water spray will go. So you just want to screw it in and line those up in the right direction. You have quarter circle, half circle, 360-degree sprinkler heads. And of course, in this case, we need a 180-degree sprinkler head that has the dotted lines 180 degrees around the top. So I just put that in, screw it right back in. Make sure these lines are facing the lawn, the direction that I want the water to go, and tighten it up, and that's it. I'm Rue C with Ninja Green, and that's how you replace a sprinkler head.